So we just learnt about axiom 3.3 and axiom 3.4, which are also referred as corresponding angles axiom. Now let us learn about theorem 3.2 and theorem 3.3. Theorem 3.2 states that if a transversal intersects two lines, that is two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles is equal. So we have this figure wherein we have two lines AB and CD such a way that there is a transversal intersecting these two lines at point Q and R, and the transversal is PS. Now we have to prove that the alternate interior angles are equal. So for that, let us start the proof. We have angle PQA is equal to angle QRC. Angle PQA is equal to angle QRC. And why is that? Because these two lines are parallel and there is a transversal passing through it. Therefore, from axiom 3.3, we know that the corresponding angles will be equal. Therefore, it is from corresponding angles axiom. Okay, so next we know that angle PQA is equal to angle BQR. Angle PQA is equal to angle BQR. Why is that? Because these are the two lines intersecting at point Q. Therefore, the vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles. This was equation 1. This is equation 2. So therefore, from equation 1 and equation 2, we can observe that angle PQA is equal to angle QRC and angle PQA is equal to angle BQR. Therefore, we can say that angle QRC is equal to angle BQR. Angle QRC is equal to angle BQR. Therefore, we just proved that angle QRC is equal to angle BQR, which are the alternate interior angles. Now let us see for the other pair, that is these two. So we know that angle PQB, that is PQB, is equal to angle QRD. Let this be equation 1 and I wrote this from corresponding angles axiom. Okay. Next, we also know that angle PQB is equal to angle AQR. Angle PQB is equal to angle AQR. Why is that so? Because they are vertically opposite angles. Equation 2, vertically opposite angles. Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, it is evident that angle PQB is equal to angle QRD. Angle PQB is also equal to angle AQR. Therefore, angle QRD is equal to angle AQR. Angle QRD is equal to angle AQR. So this is another pair of alternate interior angles. So angle QRD is equal to angle AQR. Therefore, the theorem 3.2 is proved. Now let us see theorem 3.3, which is the converse of theorem 3.2. If a transversal intersects two lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then the two lines are parallel. So we have drawn the figure such a way that the line AB and CD are drawn and a transversal is drawn in such a way that the alternate interior angles are already equal. That is, BQR is equal to CRQ. So let's prove this. Okay, so we have angle BQR is equal to angle QRC. So you can see that it is drawn equal at 115 degrees. So angle BQR is equal to angle QRC. This is the given, and let us name it as equation 1. Now we also know that angle BQR is equal to angle PQA because they are vertically opposite angles. Angle BQR is equal to angle PQA because vertically opposite angles. Let me name this as equation 2. Now from 1 and 2 it is evident that angle QRC, which is on the right hand side of the first equation, is equal to the right hand side of the second equation, that is angle PQA. Since the same angle BQR is equal to QRC also equal to PQA, we can tell that these two angles are equal. That is, angle QRC is equal to angle PQA. Angle QRC is equal to angle PQA. Now, since the corresponding angles are equal, from the converse of corresponding angles axiom, we can say that the lines AB and CD are parallel. So we just proved that the corresponding angles are equal. Angle PQA is equal to angle QRC. So from the converse of corresponding angles axiom, that is, if a transversal intersects two lines such a way that the corresponding angles are equal, then the two lines are parallel. So theorem 3.3 is also proved. Let us see the theorem 3.4 and theorem 3.5. That is, based on theorem 3.2 and 3.3, we can arrive at these two theorems. Theorem 3.4 states that if a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. That is, if a transversal PS here intersects two parallel lines AB and CD, then the interior angles on the same side. So the angles are angle AQR and angle CRQ. That is one pair of angle, and the other pair of the angle is angle BQR and angle QRD. These angles are supplementary to each other. That means angle AQR plus angle QRC will be equal to 180 degree, and angle BQR plus angle QRD will be equal to 180 degree. Now the converse of theorem 3.4 is theorem 3.5, which states that if a transversal intersects two lines such a way that a pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, then the two lines are parallel. So if the transversal intersects two lines such a way that the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, then the two lines are said to be parallel to each other.